Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today. She turned her cants into cans and her dreams into plans. Everything can be achieved if you flip it all upside down for yourself. Every cant can be turned into a can. Every dream can be turned into a plan, and those plans have lots of little goals that, when put together, can start to achieve something really big. Changing your mindset will help change how things work for you. You can either keep telling yourself you can't do something, or you could make those can'ts really create some magic and can.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.